What's up, YouTubians? Gary, VW Jawbreaker. Welcome back to another video where we're continuing to make progress on this 1960 Volksrod Franken Beetle Baja build. That's right, it is a Volksrod because the front end is extended 10 inches. So we got a custom-made beam extension up there. We've got some nice 31 1050 tires all the way around. And on the last video, we finished up the interior for the most part. I mean, you know, it's there. We've got our flooring in, we've got our electrical in, we've got everything done. We've got this hinged now, so all of that is squared away. So now we need to take a break from the interior. There's still things that I have for the interior, but I need to wait until further down the road when I do a product demo type video. Anyway, there's more stuff to do. So we're gonna take a break from that. We're finally gonna get crack-a-lacking and get going on the hood and doors. But I don't feel like touching the doors, so we're gonna start with the hood. So it's pretty simple. We got the hood sitting here. We're not gonna run trim, so we need to fill these holes, make another small patch. I need to hammer dolly out a little piece up there, get it in primer, hit it with a little bit of filler, make sure everything's squared, and we'll go ahead and shoot the top side and the underside with the Raptor liner. And that way we can go ahead and plop that on there. Check that one off the list. So, without further ado, let's drag everything out and get crack-a-lacking. We're getting there. So we've got all the holes filled. It's actually decently smooth. Of course, you know, we'll run a little filler on that. Decided not to run the hood emblem up there, and of course this is not a 4-tab hood, this is a 3-tab. Not like we're really missing anything there. The side here, well, sometimes I get lucky. I can kind of just fill those holes. Sometimes I blow out, sometimes they don't. Come to find out, I had the welder set up a little higher than I needed. Oops, my bad. But once I got that under control, boop, we pretty much got that squared away. So I got to straighten out the front end a little bit. We'll go ahead and hit it with a little bit of primer, and then we'll go ahead and hit it with a little filler. Let's get that. Kind of seems to be a consistent theme with this car, is it's good enough. Nowhere near perfect, but we've got the primer on the front side, everything bondoed out, nice and smooth. Ah! Got the underside coated, so that's good to go. And once this dries up, we'll go ahead and mix up the Raptor liner, and we'll go ahead and get both sides shot. We're going to shoot the top side and the underside, and I think what we'll do is shoot the underside first and then shoot the top side. I think that might be easier. I don't know, we'll see how it is when we get there. All right, couple boo-boos. Again, good enough. So we got it in here. It's dry-ish, right? But we got it in here hanging up, suspended. I had a little boo-boo down there. My bad. Other than that, she looks good. No real major issues. And that was one bottle to do both sides. Went a little thicker, of course, on the top side than I did the underside. But it looks good. It's full coverage. Some of the spots you're seeing are just still a little wet. Still needs to dry. So after this, we'll let this dry real good, and we'll go ahead and mount her onto the front of the car. Oh yeah. All right, well, she dried overnight. It's now another day. Kind of left her hanging here in the garage just to make sure that she dried up real good. So this is almost 24 hours later. In full transparency, this is day 3 of the video. You know, it takes time for primers and stuff to dry, right? I just have more than one super clean shirt, and well, decided that I kind of ran out of those. So all in all, I mean, it's about a day and a half worth of work in 3 days. It's not horrible, but there's only one thing left to do. Let's get her mounted up, see how she looks. Wow, there we go. Man, does that look good or what? So, I don't know, last year or year before, something like that, it all kind of blurs together. And you got, right there, pops my hood. Bam, look at that. Set it down. There we go, latch. A little bit more of adjustment, but it's mostly there. Wow. That looks good. So the only thing left really is we have a Mexican hood seal that we're going to install down the road. But that looks good, guys. Another item checked off the list. Can't beat that with a wooden leg. Wow, that just completely transforms the front of the car. All right. Well, guys, we got another item checked off the list. I appreciate you being here. Thanks for sticking around. Make sure you check out the link below, VWJawbreaker.com, for social, merch, all kinds of other great channels to support as well. Make sure you check them out. Give them a follow. Subscribe to them. Subscribe to me if you haven't. I would appreciate the support. So, guys, till the next time, be kind and be good.